Week 1, you're checking your bank account, praying rent clears. Week 6, you've quit your job. Week 12, your parents think you joined a cult. Week 20, governments know your name. Week 30, you are richer than Elon Musk, Bezos, and every royal family combined. And that's exactly when your life stops feeling human. This is a true story that hasn't happened yet. You start with $1,000. That's it. Rent's due. Your card got declined buying coffee yesterday. Then Sunday hits, $2,000. You laugh. Weird coincidence. Next Sunday, $4,000. Now you're paying attention. Week 3, $8,000. You haven't told anyone. You're scared if you say it out loud it stops. Week 4, $16,000. You pay off your credit card. You eat a real steak for the first time in months. Nothing crazy yet. Just relief. Just breathing for the first time in years. But here's what you don't realize. The math has already decided your fate. Week 5, $32,000. You quit your job. You don't even give 2 weeks. You walk out smiling. Week 6, $64,000. New car, not a Lambo, just something nice. Something that says, I'm okay now. Week 7, $128,000. You move out of the apartment you hated. Week 8, $256,000. You stop checking prices on menus. You don't even notice when it happened. Week 9, $512,000. You buy your mom a car. She cries. You cry. This is the best week of your life. Week 10, $1 million. You're a millionaire, and you notice something strange. You're not happy. You're hungry. The number stopped feeling like money. It started feeling like a score. And next Sunday, the score doubles again. Week 11, $2 million. You hire a financial advisor. He's terrified of you within 20 minutes. Week 12, $4 million. Your parents call. They think you're laundering money. Or worse, you can't tell them the truth. Because there is no truth. There's just Sunday. Week 13, $8 million. Old friends start texting you. Friends you haven't heard from in years. Everyone suddenly remembers your birthday. Week 14, $16 million. You stop answering most calls. Week 15, $32 million. You buy a house, then a second one, just because you can. Week 16, $64 million. You start noticing people watching you, in coffee shops, in restaurants, or maybe you're imagining it. You can't tell anymore. Week 17, $128 million. Private security, 2 cars, a driver, a lawyer on retainer who picks up at 3 a.m. Week 18, $256 million. You haven't slept properly in a month. You keep waking up at 3:47 a.m., sweating, checking your phone, terrified it's all gone. Week 19, $512 million. A woman you've never met tells you she loves you. You believe her for 14 seconds, then you don't. Week 20, $1 billion. You walk into a room and people stop talking. You walk into a country and people start watching. And then, on Monday morning, you get the email. It's from someone whose name you've only ever seen in headlines. It just says, we should talk. Week 21, $2 billion. You own a yacht. You've been on it once. Week 22, $4 billion. You buy a private island. You realize halfway through the tour, you forgot what country it's in. Week 23, $8 billion. You stop using regular airports. Ever again. Week 24. This is the week that breaks you. Week 24, $16 billion. Your best friend, the one from elementary school, the one who slept on your couch when you had nothing, asks you for $50,000. You give it to him. He never speaks to you again. That's the week you understand. Money doesn't connect people. It replaces them. Week 25. $32 billion. 3 governments invite you to informal dinners. 2 of them aren't really invitations. Week 26. $64 billion. You buy a media company. Not to run it. Just to make a story disappear. Week 27, $128 billion. You're now richer than the GDP of most countries. Week 28, $256 billion. Week 29, $512 billion. You're the richest person who has ever existed in human history. You're trending in 47 languages, and then comes Sunday. Week 30, $1 trillion. You should feel like a god. You don't. You feel nothing. Here's what they don't tell you about money doubling forever. The first million changes your life. The thousandth million doesn't change anything, because there's nothing left to change. You've eaten at every restaurant, you've slept in every hotel, you've met every celebrity, every president, every athlete, and they all want something from you. You haven't had a real conversation in 4 months. Your mother stopped calling because you stopped answering. Your father told you, last time you spoke, I don't recognize you anymore. And the worst part? Neither do you. You look in the mirror and there's a stranger there. Wearing your face, living your life, spending money you didn't earn, the universe just kept giving it to you. You start asking the question every billionaire eventually asks but never says out loud. What is this for? You can buy anything, so nothing has value. You can go anywhere, so nowhere feels like home. You can have anyone, so no one feels real. And then it hits you. Next Sunday is coming, and the number is going to double again. You try to stop it. You give away $100 billion to charity in one afternoon. Sunday comes. It doubles back. You burn cash. Literally, you stand over a fireplace and feed it stacks. Sunday comes. It doubles back. You try to lose it all. Bad investments, reckless bets, anything. Tunday comes. Back, the money isn't a gift anymore. It's a prison, and the walls double every 7 days. So here's the question the story left out at the beginning. The one you didn't think to ask. What would you lose to gain everything? Because by week 30, you have it all, and you have nothing. Your friends are gone, replaced by employees who smile too much. Your family is distant, afraid of who you've become. Your dreams are gone, because every dream you ever had, you bought, and none of them felt like you imagined. And the worst, quietest tragedy? The version of you from week 1. The one who was happy when his card didn't get declined, who cried over a steak dinner, who hugged his mom over a used Toyota. That guy. He died somewhere around week 14, and nobody noticed, not even you. Most people think the worst thing that can happen to you in life is never getting rich. They've never met someone who got rich every single Sunday, so would you still want it? Subscribe to Gothic Finance for more videos.